I just discovered one of the easiest YouTube channels on the planet. A horror channel called Misty Hex has gained over 400,000 subscribers from just 26 videos and is making thousands of dollars per month. Last month alone, the channel received more than 28 million views, and I can prove that every single video is created 100% using AI. You might think this requires expensive software or advanced editing skills, but it doesn't. You don't need to be a writer, an artist, or a video editor, and you don't even need to show your face. I've reverse engineered the exact formula Misty Hex uses by breaking down the structure of their viral videos, starting with a hypnotic 15-second hook that uses emotional storytelling and simple interactions, such as showing a cat or puppy and asking viewers to like, subscribe, or comment, which boosts early engagement, retention, and virality. I've also identified the free AI tools they use to generate the entire story and voiceover. In this video, I'll first show you the simple 3-part story structure used in every upload. Then I'll share the 100% free AI tools to create the story, images, and voiceover. And finally, I'll show you how to edit everything together in under 10 minutes. Follow these steps and you can achieve similar viral results. So let's get started. To create this type of video, you need a specific prompt. I will give it to you for free in the description below. You just have to click on the link. You will find the main prompt inside a Google Doc. To access it, first make a copy to your own Google Drive so you can edit it. Let's start by generating our video topic. First, copy the prompt from the Google Doc. Then, go to ChatGPT and paste it. Once you paste the prompt, ChatGPT will instantly generate 5 viral topic ideas based on the Misty Hex style. If you don't like the first batch of topics, it's simple. Just type, "Give me 5 more topic ideas" in the prompt box. ChatGPT will instantly give you another 5 ideas, so you can keep refreshing until you find the perfect one. Go back to the Google Doc again. Now copy the second prompt, this is the script generator, and paste it into the ChatGPT prompt box. Here's the important part. Make sure you do this exactly. You'll notice there are 2 brackets in the prompt that look like this. Your topic here. This is where your chosen topic will go. So copy your selected viral topic from before and paste it directly between those brackets, replacing the placeholder text. Once your topic is pasted into the prompt, just click Generate. So now you have your complete script. If you're not happy with the first version, just regenerate it in ChatGPT until it's perfect. To turn your text into a voice, we'll use 11 Labs. I personally prefer this website because the voices sound incredibly human. First, you'll need to sign up and log in. I've left my referral link in the description below. It will give you 10,000 free credits to start. Click that link, sign up, and log in. Once you're in, go to the text-to-speech section. After clicking that, paste your full script into the text box. Before generating, make sure to do this. Listen to the voice preview. You can choose any voice you like from the library. There are multiple high-quality, realistic voices available. Preview them to find the perfect one for your horror story. Once you've selected the voice, click the Generate button. Within a few seconds, your AI voiceover will be ready. Finally, just hit the Download button to save the audio file directly to your device. The next step is creating the video based on the script ChatGPT generated for us. You can do this completely free. First, go to the Google Docs link I provided and copy the third prompt. Open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click the Generate button. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will create a detailed, long prompt for you. Next, we'll use this prompt with Sora 2 to generate the video. If you don't have access, check my previous video. There's a link in the description that explains how to get Sora 2 easily. Once you're on the Sora 2 website, paste the prompt from ChatGPT into the prompt box. Then go to Settings, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, set the video duration to 15 seconds, and click Generate. Within moments, your video will be ready. Your video is now generating. To find it, click on your profile icon in the top right and select Default Folder or My Creations. Your video will appear here once it's ready. The system is processing it now, so you'll need to wait just a bit, typically about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's done, you can see the result. Let's take a look. Okay, as you can see, this first video isn't very good. The quality is low, and it doesn't match our vision. This is completely normal. To fix it, we need to improve our prompt. go back to ChatGPT, and in the same chat, simply type, "Regenerate the image prompt, but make it more detailed and cinematic." Click Enter, and ChatGPT will give you a new, improved prompt. Copy this new version. Now go back to Sora 2. Paste the new, improved prompt into the box. Keep the same settings, 9:16 aspect ratio and 15-second duration. Click the Generate button again and wait. As you can see now, our new video is perfect. The quality is dramatically better, exactly what we needed. This is the video you'll want to download and use. Always remember, if your first result isn't great, just regenerate the prompt and try again. This is the key to getting high-quality, professional-looking clips every time. You may have noticed that videos generated by Sora 2 come with a watermark. To remove it, first click on your video and then click the Post button. This will publish the video to your profile. Once it's posted, click the Download button to save it. Next, go to your main profile, click the Share button, and copy the link of the video you just posted. Then visit the website I've provided for watermark removal and paste your Sora 2 video link there. Click the Download button on that site, and your video will be saved without a watermark in just one click. The next step is editing your video, and for that, we'll use CapCut. You can find the link in the description below. Open CapCut and import your video without the watermark. Then, import your 11 Lab voiceover onto the timeline. From there, you can trim and remove any unwanted parts of the audio to make it clean and polished. The next step is adding clips to match your voiceover. Start with the video generated from Sora 2 without a watermark. Then, adjust and attach clips according to your voiceover. For example, when the voiceover says, "If you like this puppy, then like it," or "If you like this cat, then comment," insert matching clips. You can find these clips on social media platforms or generate them using AI video tools with simple prompts like "cute puppy" or "cute cat." Place the clips on the timeline so they align perfectly with the corresponding lines in the voiceover. For the rest of the video, use the main Sora 2 clip where the voiceover begins. Once all clips are attached and synced properly, your final video will be complete and ready for publishing. Next, you'll want to add interactive elements like arrows, stickers, and buttons to encourage viewers to like and subscribe. Click the sticker option in the top corner and you'll see a variety of stickers you can use. Position them on your clips where the voiceover says things like this puppy," or "subscribe." You can even add cute icons for cats or puppies to match the content. Make sure the first clip is visually attractive to grab attention. The most important step after that is adding captions. Click the caption option in the top corner, select your language, and enable automatic captions. You can edit them if needed, choose from free templates, and customize the font and color to match your video. Once everything is in place, click the Export button and your video will be saved to your device. Your video is now ready to share. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
This security camera caught something that should never exist. Watch closely. But first, if you love this puppy, hit like and subscribe. And if you love cats, drop a heart. The child was alone in the playroom. Then the doorway changed. A human-shaped thing appeared. Its smile was late. Its voice came through the monitor.
"Now, child, hand me the doll."
So tell me, which one was really alive?